Hey yo, what's up everybody? This is Huey and we're back with another trading robot session. We already have our trading pair, so all we need now is a signal and we're ready to go. The payout is not great, 74%, but we're gonna take it because there's really nothing else. You should either skip the signals that you don't feel are worth it, or you should just take them if you want to trade and if you want to make money. Sometimes you have to take 74% payout. So we have $500 on the line, 3 minutes expiration time for our convenience. And of course, now we just wait for the signal to come in and then we're gonna go in hard, and hopefully this session ends being great. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. Let's just wait for the signal to come in. It should come in any second now, so we are all prepared. We have already $23,000, so we're gonna continue grinding and we're gonna continue making money because that's what it's all about. And this trading robot is a perfect opportunity for you guys to start making money today, so make sure to reach out and get it. And here we have the first signal already and we are off. Now let's skip ahead to the end of this option and see what we got. Let's go. And it seems like the first signal of the day is gonna go through and we secure $370. There it is. As you can see, as always, the robot tells us that the option has been successful. And guys, if you want to start trading and if you want to start making money, make sure to join Neo's private trading group. We have multiple giveaways running at all times, so you can participate and win $100. As you can see right there, we have one giveaway going on right now for you, and there's another one. If you scroll up a bit, all you need to do is watch a video from start to finish, leave a comment and leave a like on the video, and that's it. You can see there's people winning. We have trading sessions in this group every day from Monday to Friday at 4 p.m. London time. So this is a perfect opportunity for you to trade alongside Neos, because all of these signals are given out by him and he's a master of his craft. He knows what he's doing, so trading with him will definitely benefit you in the short term and long term. And as you can see, we just scrolled up once and we have another giveaway here, so you can participate in both of them. Very simple, guys, and I hope you all join this group. The spots in this group are limited, but it is free, so ask Neos if there's a spot. If there's not, don't worry, you can still join the free signals group. It is free for everyone. The spots are unlimited and there's so much useful information for you guys, like starting off with entry points, how to find entry points, how to utilize different strategies, how to differentiate chart patterns, how to see different candlestick patterns. All of this is in this group, and of course the free signals are here as well. Every day when there's a trading session in private trading group, people get 3, 4, sometimes even 5 signals and just profiting for free. All of this is done as a goodwill, and we like to see you guys succeed and to see you get a taste of what it's like to be a trader. So make sure to join all these groups. You can find the links in the description below. And of course the robot the past month, the robot has been insane. Like, I can't even tell. So many successful options, so many successful signals, guys. If you want to just relax, get the signals and make some money, the robot is a perfect opportunity for you. The robot works 24/7, so you can literally trade at night or on weekends. We have OTC market available on weekends, and the payouts on those are great. Almost always we get 92%. Sometimes you can get 75, 82, but most of the time and most of the pairs actually provide you 92% payout. So I think OTC market is the best way to make money. However, it comes with some downsides, and that is of course that the OTC market is not really regulated, and the brokers have certain influence on it. And there were some scandals in the past of brokers manipulating the OTC market, but it's not the case with Pocket Option, because you can trust that this is one of the most popular brokers in the world. So when you trade with them, you know you get the real deal. So make sure to join Pocket Option and just start grinding. With this robot, guys, you'll make all the money you paid for this robot literally within one trading session, and I guarantee that. And I'll prove it to you by this trading session. Now let's keep ahead to the next trading pair signal and see where we're heading. Let's go. And here we have our next trading pair signal. I'm gonna go through how to perfectly enter a trade. So here we set up our trading pair, boom, we have it already. Then we change the expiration time to 3 minutes, because the robot only gives 2 minutes, 3 minutes and 5 minutes. So it makes sense to set up 3 minutes at first. In case you get 2 minutes, you only need 1 click to reach 2 minutes. And then if you need 5 minutes, it's only gonna take you 2 clicks, and that is it. That is very convenient for you, because you want to be as fast as possible when you receive the signal. So make sure to make your workspace and workflow as convenient and as comfortable for yourself as possible, because that's going to decide whether you win, lose or draw in this situation. You want to be with the robot on the same page. Not all the time, because sometimes it worked out actually for me when I was a little bit late. It ended up being a win for me and a loss for the robot. But generally you want to be on the same page with the robot. And here the signal comes in and we immediately take a 2-minute long position in this situation. Now let's keep ahead and see whether we were able to secure it. Let's go. And here we have it, guys, another win for us. 3 seconds left on the clock, and this is guaranteed money for us, $370, and that puts us at $740 already for the session, just within 2 trades that we did. So as you can see, it is very easy to make money with this robot. And I actually see a lot of people who really want to buy the robot, but they are afraid that it's not gonna work out for them. They're afraid that the robot is not gonna perform as well as they thought that it would. But I'll tell you this, guys, in 2010 I had the opportunity to buy Bitcoin, but I was afraid, and I was still kind of young, and I thought that I can put my money elsewhere, because at that time it didn't seem like that of a good idea for a guy that was 17, 16 years old. So now, of course, a lot of us, I think I'm not the only person who had the opportunity to do that. A lot of us are now biting our ankles, because that's what happened, you know. So we missed out on that opportunity, but that's not the only opportunity that comes in your life, and there's plenty of them. And you just, at some point, you have to realize that it's all on you, and you have to take those opportunities. And this robot is a perfect opportunity to stop being a slave, to stop working for somebody and actually become your own man. You can spend 1 hour, 2 hours, 7 hours, whatever time you have in your day, and however you feeling, you can spend that time trading with the robot and make money. As I say, the robot is available 24/7, so you literally become a king of your life, because you can choose whenever you want to trade, and the robot has 85% success rate. So no matter how much times you lose, the wins are gonna be more, and you are guaranteed to make money with this robot. There's no flukes, there's no random signals, none of that I've seen in other robots. There's none of that. The robot actually analyzes multiple charts, it sees the patterns. We have all of those patterns coded into the robot, so the robot gives you an actual signal that should be working as if you are trading as a human But the difference is, as a human, you can maybe pull up 5, 6, 7 charts at a time, and that's all that's not a bad thing. Don't get me wrong. When you trade yourself, you should be focusing on a few trading pairs and only work with those assets. But the robot actually analyzes all of the charts available, and it takes him 1 minute, 2 minutes, and then he gives you a signal that is usually goes through and that is very profitable for you. So in my opinion, guys, don't sleep, don't let fear stop you from good life. Make sure to get this robot. Reach out to Neos, ask him if you're interested in the robot, and he will provide you with all the information necessary. And let's start making money today. Join our private trading group, free signals group, and of course we'll be seeing you at our trading sessions. But now let's proceed to the next signal. I actually want to increase the trading amount to 1,000, so let's skip to the next signal and see what we got. Let's go. And here we have our next trading asset, United States dollar to Japanese yen. So we're gonna go ahead and put it in right here. 82%, pretty good. So we can change the time to 3 minutes and increase the trading amount to 1,000 as we want it. Guys, this is completely up to you. You don't necessarily have to trade 500s and or thousands. Make sure to adjust the trading amount to your balance. Always take into consideration what you can spend and what you have on your balance. Don't trade more than 10% of your balance. That is my advice. But of course it is up to you, and if you feel like you can go in higher, definitely do what's comfortable for you. But my advice is keep it at 10% of your balance and you should be good. You should be profiting. Take the smart trades. If you're trading with robot, my advice is still to keep it at 10%, because that's just a rule of thumb. And here we have the signal, 3 minutes buy. Immediately we enter and already the price goes up. Now let's keep ahead and see whether this continues the trend. Let's go. And it's not looking good for us, so we are going to increase the amount to 2,000 just in case, because we're most likely going to have to take the safe option. Even though the price is really close, it doesn't seem like there's much movement, and already the robot gives us the safe option right there. So we're going to enter another long position here for $2,000. Unfortunately, the payout has dropped to 59% as well, so that's not good because we will barely make the money that we lost, but it's still good. Let's keep ahead and see whether we were able to secure it. Let's go. We have 6 seconds left and the price is a little bit too close, but it seems like we are going to get it. There it is. We made 1.1k dollars, and that means that we offset the losses that we had in a previous signal, and we got $180 on top of it. So basically we made $180. The risk is a little bit high, but we didn't want to lose $1,000, so we entered a safe option as the robot told us, and as you can see, it worked out. Now, without wasting too much time and making this video super long, let's immediately skip to the next signal, because I am not going to stop here. I am not feeling good about making only $900 today, so I want to have another great entry, and let's see what the next trading pair looks like. Let's go. And here we have our next trading asset, euro to United States dollar. This should be a good one. Let's go ahead and set it up and see what we're working with. Euro, United States dollar, at 92%. Okay, this is what I like to see. I'm going to keep the amount at 1,000 because I want to actually make at least 900 on top of it, and that's gonna put me at 1.8k for the session, and that is very good. Now we're just waiting for the signal to come in. Very simple, you have enough time to set everything up so when you don't just sit and go make a tea whenever you receive your trading pair. Make sure everything is prepared for you to receive the signal. Make sure your time is in the right place. Make sure the amount is the one that you want to have, and of course look out for the payouts. If the payout is 40%, do not take the trade. That is my advice. Skip that signal and wait for a high profitability one, so you can actually, in case something goes wrong, you can offset your losses with the safe option. Because if you have 40% payout, the safe option really won't do anything. You'll make a small portion of the money back, and that's not what we want. We want to cover it up. And here we have the signal, 3 minutes sell. We are in. Now let's fast forward to the end of this option and see what we got. Let's go. We got 7 seconds on the clock and it is already looking like a win. As you can see, the price has pushed down so far, $920 locked in, and that puts us at 1.8k for the session, and that concludes it for me. I think this is a good amount to make in a day, so I'm gonna keep it at that. But for you guys, as you can see, the robot has been absolutely killing it, so you're missing out on so much money, on so much potential that you could be making right now. As you can see, there's almost no losses. There's 2 losses in literally hour and a half, so you could be making all of this money. Join our groups, the free signals, the private trading group. You can find all the links in the description below. But this is it for me. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.